Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the art of Italian cooking by showing you how to set up the perfect kitchen. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, these tips will help you whip up authentic Italian dishes right at home. Let's get started. First things first, the layout. An efficient kitchen is all about easy movement and accessibility. Designate areas for preparation, cooking, and cleaning. A central island can be a great addition for extra counter space and doubles as a gathering spot to enjoy that glass of Chianti while you cook. Now, let's talk appliances. A good quality stove and oven are crucial. For pasta lovers, investing in a pasta-making machine can elevate your dishes to the next level. It's all about fresh ingredients turned into beautiful plates of pasta. Speaking of fresh, nothing beats homemade pasta. You'll need basic ingredients like flour, eggs, and a pinch of salt. Mix, knead, and then let your pasta machine do the magic. And who can forget pizza? Start with a simple dough: flour, yeast, water, and salt. Once you've got your base, top it with fresh tomatoes, mozzarella, and basil. A pizza stone in your oven will give you that perfect crispy crust. For the best results, use the best ingredients. Shop for fresh, quality produce at local markets. Look for DOP, protected designation of origin, labels on products like olive oil and cheese to ensure authenticity and quality. Keep your kitchen organized. Store your tools and ingredients where they are easily accessible. This not only saves time but keeps you from getting flustered. Hanging racks for pots and a spice rack visible at eye level are kitchen game changers. With the right setup, cooking Italian food can be as joyful as it is delicious. It's about creating a space that feels good to cook in. Remember, the heart of Italian cooking is sharing food made with love.